To get a Tradingview free trial, start by visiting the Tradingview website and clicking on the Pricing tab. Tradingview offers a range of plans, including a free plan, but the free trial specifically refers to accessing the premium features for a limited time. First, review the different plans and their features to understand what you will get with the free trial. The premium plans include additional features such as more indicators, alerts, and data feeds. Next, select the plan you are interested in trying out and click on the Start Free Trial button. You will be asked to create an account if you do not already have one. Fill out the registration form with your email address, username, and password. After creating your account, you will be asked to verify your email address. Check your inbox for the verification email sent by Tradingview and click on the verification link. This step is necessary to activate your account and start your free trial. Once your account is verified, you can log in and start exploring the premium features. Take note of the trial period, which is usually 30 days. And make sure to cancel before the trial ends if you do not wish to continue with the paid plan. During the trial period, you can try out all the premium features, including advanced charting tools, custom indicators, and real-time data feeds. You can also set up alerts and notifications to stay up to date with market movements. To avoid being charged after the trial period, make sure to cancel your subscription before the trial ends. You can do this by going to your account settings and clicking on the Cancel Subscription button. By following these steps, you can get a Tradingview free trial and experience the premium features without committing to a paid plan. This is a great way to test out the platform and see if it meets your trading needs.